How to transfer account Project Sekai. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do is to have both devices at hand, the one that you want to transfer your account and the one where your current account is logged into. Go to the device where you have your account signed in. I'm with my device, and on the upper right corner you will have menu. Click on menu and then select on account transfer, and here select on transfer to different OS. It's gonna ask you to set up a password, so make sure you note down this password since you're going to need it to log into different OS. You can also take a screenshot or note down. The main thing is don't forget your transfer ID and password, or else you will be logged out of your account. And after you note down both the transfer ID and the generated password, go to the targeted device and access the menu. Before logging in, select account transfer and transfer to a different OS. This time, enter the transfer ID you created and the password, and make sure you note down the ID and password in case you need to transfer again. So that's it. That's how you transfer account Project Sekai. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.